Hello everyone. So in this demo video, I'm going to show you how you can actually connect your custom domain with CNAME. As you know, earlier we were using a record, right? But now we have changed the process. So you have to use CNAME. So let's start. You have to go to your My Domains page. And in the meantime, let me open my Namecheap and my Cloudflare account. All right, so here we go. We have this page, CodeZP live at 1.zcart.com, and when you open this page, we have a sales page. Kind of checkout page on this subdomain of Zcart. So now we want to open this Zcart page with the sales.mintware.app, let's say. As you can see, right now there is no page on this domain. Now we are going to connect a subdomain, a custom domain, with sales subdomain on mintware.app domain. So this is the main domain and sales dot is the subdomain. All right, so now what we have to do, we have to come here. Let me just unlink it. Okay, so let's say this is the new domain, new subdomain, and click on this I icon. We have changed, replaced all these processes with the older one. Now you have to follow these steps, but let me just explain it here. You have to enter your domain, which is mintware.app. As you can see, right now it is mentioned without www, but you have to actually you can use your subdomain with www dot or your other subdomain. That's up to you, because www is also a subdomain of this domain, right? It's which is a default subdomain. You can say that this is the default subdomain. So if you want to redirect the page, this page, when somebody opens mintware.app, this page should be opened, right? Or if somebody opens this page should be opened. So you have to choose your subdomain, type it here, and then click on save domain button. Now you can see domain has been set for this subdomain, CodeZP live 1.zcart.com. Now we need to go to our Cloudflare account. We need to log in here. And after login, if you have already added a website, you don't have to redo that. Right now, I have mintware.app, which I have already added from here. So if you have already added that, you go to this mintware.site, go to the DNS. Now, if you have some A records already, so you need to just remove any A record with www or like this name or the subdomain you are actually going to set. If there is an A record with the same name, you have to remove that A record. Okay, if there is no A record, you don't have to worry about it. Now we are going to add a CNAME. So click on this button. Now this is the A record, so you need to change it by CNAME. Now use sales, as we are going to have sales.mintware.app, and target would be your subdomain, which is CodeZP live 1.zcart.com. So we need to just paste it here and make sure it is proxied and keep it auto, and click on save. And now our domain has been added. Okay, sales.mintware.app. So now come here on this page and try to refresh this page, and you can see sales.mintware.app has been connected with your desired page. This is easy to use, right? And now you can change this process, but make sure that you have removed all A records which are not being used, or if any A record which is duplicate or has already the subdomain which you are going to use in CNAME. So let's say if you have sales in A record, just delete that A record. If you have www or this your website name, and if you want to connect those names with your page, you need to remove all the A records, and you need to recreate all the CNAMEs in your Cloudflare account. Okay, I hope it helps. If you find any trouble, you can reach us by group, our Facebook group or Skype group, or you can just send us a ticket at support.mintware.io. All right, thank you so much.